Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 14th of March 2022. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce the winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of a contest is volume profile for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you can see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations for winning the volume profile, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week, in the next weekly trading ideas video, I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about that. Let's now have a look at the charts and the trading idea. The first trading idea that I like to talk about is idea on a British pound. What you see before you is a 30-minute chart of the British pound. And what caught my eye in here was this rotation which took place within this selling activity, within this downtrend. If you use volume profile over that area, then you can see that there were massive volumes accumulated in here, right there, in this rotation, right? Also, in here, before this aggressive sell-off. So this seems to be a significant volume zone, right? Significant volume zone from which selling activity continued. So this is telling us that there were strong sellers present here, and those sellers were most likely building up their shorts here. This is what we see on the volume profiles, right? So this is an important zone, important volume-based zone, and when there is a pullback to this zone again, the zone is starting at 1.3079, then I think that there will be a reaction, because the sellers who are building up their shorts in here will be defending this zone, right? They'll be defending their shorts, they'll become active, and they are likely to push the price downwards from there again. So this is why this is a strong resistance. Now there's also one more reason why I think that this should work as a strong resistance. The reason is that the price bounced off this area in the past, meaning that it worked as a support in the past, right? This area worked as a support. Now, when the price blew past that support in here, then the support became a resistance, right? That's what happens with strong supports. When they got breached, they become resistances. So not only we have the volume profile set up in here, but also at the same place we have a price action setup which also points to the same resistance in here. Alright, 3079. So what we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now let's move on. Let's check out the next trading idea, and the next one is on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So this is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. It is a 30-minute chart as well, and in here there is a very strong uptrend. When there is a trend like this, I'm interested in volume distribution within the trend area. I'm interested in volume clusters, like for example this one. This is a significant volume cluster that took place within the strong uptrend. So what such volume cluster is telling us is that strong buyers who were pushing the price upwards were adding to their long positions massively in here, right? This is what those volumes are telling us. And what they also are telling us is that this is a strong support, or it should be a strong support, because when there's a pullback, then the buyers from this zone should become active. They should start defending their longs, which they placed in here. They should defend this heavy volume area, and they should push the price upwards from there again, right? So that's why this should work as a strong support, right? This is a trend setup. It is a setup which I trade when there's a strong trend, like for example in this case. So right now we just wait for the pullback and take the long from there. Alright, so that's about the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Now let's check out the next trading idea, and the next one will be on the New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar. So this is New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar. It is a 30-minute chart, and in here I have a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup. The setup goes like this. You need to see a rotation like this one, from which strong trend activity starts, like this one. Now what this is telling us is that strong sellers were building up their shorts in here. We can see their heavy volumes right there, and then those sellers initiated the strong trend. Now I'm talking about strong sellers in here because of the sell-off, right? If there was a strong buying activity, then I would be talking about strong buyers accumulating their longs here. But because there is a sell-off, then I expect that strong sellers, institutional sellers, were building up their shorts in here, and those are their volumes. So when the price makes it back to this heavy volume area, which is beginning at 87.37, then I think that this will work as a strong resistance, and those sellers will want to defend this zone, which will result in a reaction, right? Those sellers should push the price downwards from there again. Now there's also one confluence which I like. It's a setup which I already showed you in this video. There was a reaction in the past in here to this level, which means that it was a support, right? It was a support in the past because the price reacted to it, right? Quite strongly. Now, when the price blew past that support, it became a resistance. All right. So not only we have the volume profile setup, but also we have price action setup. All right. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me each day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile, and there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course, it includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed, and also a couple of bonuses. Now at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!